traffic's so bad. But then I saw Delhi, where the air's thicker than a servo sausage roll. Thank you.
Top has sprung a leak, and the animals I've trapped have all become my pets, and I'm living off of
Over 10 million cars flood Delhi's roads each day, each one emitting toxic gases and deadly particles.
10 million cars? That's like every Commodore in Victoria being stuck at one Macca's drive-through. We walk outside and it's like breathing smoke from 1,000 engines.
something in the way, yeah. Something in the way.
Car fumes cause asthma, lung damage, and heart damage. Delhi's children are growing up with permanent health issues. Reckon that's good. Back home we whinge about petrol prices. In Delhi, they pay with their lungs. My kids can't play outside. The roads are full and so is the air.
Something in the way, yeah. Underneath the bridge, top has sprung a leak, and the animals
Solutions exist. Electric vehicles, stronger laws, and public transport. Chuck a few Teslas into the mix, eh? Cleaner, quieter, and no one's choking on any exhaust. We just want to breathe air again, for us and for our children.
and the